Hello guys, here is I have Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. Screen is cracked, so I'm gonna show you how to replace the screen. Let me remove the back cover. Put some heat on there. With this, I'm just lifting up and put some alcohol on under that. It's gonna come out easily when you put the alcohol. Add some more here. Yes, we remove the back cover. Let me remove the glue there. Now we're gonna remove the SIM tray. Let me turn off the phone. No, we cannot turn off his password on it. So now we're gonna remove the ollie screw and disconnect the battery. We are almost done to open the back housing. We remove. Now we're gonna disconnect the battery. There it is. 5G antenna, screen connection. Remove the camera. There is another 5G antenna connection we just removed. We're gonna remove the motherboard. There is one black screw, we have to remove it. Remove that one. Now we're gonna remove motherboard. There is two antenna connection we remove. Now there is two screw we have to remove. And put some heat there. And easy to remove it. And just pull it up a little bit slowly. Yeah, it's come out. Yeah, remove the air speaker. Yes, we remove the air speaker. Remove the vibration. Put some heat. Yes, I just remove the vibration. There is new screen. And we're gonna put a back vibration here. Now we're gonna put the 5G antenna right here. You can see new screen comes with air speaker and power button, so we don't need it remove from old screen. We're gonna remove now 5G another antenna, middle of the frame right side, and slowly we're gonna remove it and put it back on new screen. There is two screw, put it back. Now bottom side we're gonna remove the LCD and charging port connection, ribbon. Now we're gonna remove the one screw right here to hold the charging port, and we're gonna disconnect the sensor, fingerprint sensor. and with the finger we just lifting up, it's come out easily, and put it back on the new screen, and put it back. There is one screw, put it back there, right here. Very strong now. Now we're gonna put the fingerprint sensor, remove this tape, plastic, and apply some heat behind the sensor, not close, a little bit far. And apply some heat on top of that from far, not closely. And with the tweezer we just lifting up. Yes, it's come out. Now I'm gonna put it back on the screen. Yes, it's good. So now I'm gonna put it antenna line. Blue one goes down and white one goes top. Now we're gonna install the motherboard. The two antenna goes under the motherboard. Let me bring on top and put it one screw right here, the black color. Put some glue right here. And install the 5G antenna and connect it. Yes, it's connected. Now we're gonna connect two antenna line here. Now put it two screw right here. There is a small screw, then other one. Now you're gonna remove the battery, add some alcohol, and lighten up with the open tools. Put some more alcohol. Yes, it's now come out easily. We're gonna plastic tools, we're gonna make even the battery. Clean the previous glue tape. Now we're gonna install the battery on new screen. Put double side glue tape and install the battery right here. Now we're gonna connect the LCD and charging port ribbon. On the motherboard we're gonna connect LCD ribbon and 5G antenna and connect the battery. We are all done here. Now we're gonna install back housing. From top side we have to press it down. You all set here. Already installed the back housing. Now you're gonna insert the SIM card. Before put the screw, we're gonna test it the screen. Let me turn on the phone. It's turning on. Yes, it's turning on. Swipe up. Swipe up. For the emergency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Star 0 hash. Cross. Yes, it's worked properly. Now you're gonna install the all screw. And apply some glue all side and wait like maybe 30 seconds. Now you're gonna install the back cover. Now you're gonna put the clip on 2-3 hours. After dry the glue, we're gonna remove it. Yeah, it's past 3 hours. Now we're gonna remove it. Yes, it's already dry, looking good. Try again the screen. It's worked fine. That's all right now. Thank you for watching.